Pete, did you scan her? Yeah. Right, just pop that there. There you go. Okay, enjoy. Sit with your arms crossed.
That's it, yeah. Just have a little leg up there, and then just leave it like that for me. Just leave it there, that's it. To get out the way for me.
Yeah, it worked for me.
How was that?
Yeah, brilliant.
Quick little cars.
I bet this is the best job in the world, isn't it?
It's not a bad job, yeah. Getting paid to drive like a hooligan all day.
Yeah.
It's good fun, yeah.
I said, all the guys here, I said, having this, you know, driving all these cars and that here, it's amazing.
Yeah, it's good for these guys. They're in the passenger seat most of the time, but
Yeah, but
yeah.
they must get the chance to drive them.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do drive the cars a fair bit, but yeah, that's part of the job. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Are they on a rotation? So do they sit in the car, each different car?
Yeah, it just depends on what they're given in the morning, to be honest. So yeah, everyone drives different things every day. So yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. A bit more on the back with the way the back swings around.
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm liking this as well. Yeah, you can see death coming in the front though, so yeah, exactly. Yeah, it goes well, this thing for a four-door family car. Yeah, it's just pretty nuts, really.
And this is what happened to me. I got stuck behind the slow ones. Let's have a go though. Thank you very
Oh,
much.
no, right, guys. Brilliant.
if they're concrete bollards. Keep that left foot away from the brake for me. All the gear is going to be on the paddles, and no power until we get our wheels straight, okay, from turns, okay? Rear wheel drive this car. Cool, so out we go, nice and gently out through the green cones. Watch that green cone on the inside there for me. Lovely, a little bit of power there, just get us up this little incline. That's it, come up a gear. Lovely, so a little bit of power all the way down to the end. Come up a gear. Cool, so we're just going to roll the car into this little turn. It's going to go round to the left. That's it, all the way through the green. So first set there, second set here, last set was there. So come down a gear for me. That's it, nice and gently round, come off the brake. That's it, so not too much power until our wheels are straight, okay?
Right.
It's a rear wheel drive car, okay?
Right,
so what that means is it will push from the rear wheels and we'll end up backwards into the bush if you do it too hard, okay? So back on the power now for me. That's it, come up a gear. So in on the left, out on the right, and we're going to be tucking it over to that right hand side, okay? Cool, so keep pushed up to the right for me. I'm just going to let these two come past. Yeah. Just hold that there. I'm going to let this one come past as well. That's it, so back on the power for me. So when we do that, if we have to do it next time, just keep the car rolling, okay? So don't want to stop on the live circuit. That's it. Cool, so all the way down to the end, come up a gear. So tucking it back over to the right, again in on the right, out on the left this time, so watch the cones on the way in, and then your side on the way out, that's it. So a nice gentle bit of power, enough to just bring us round, that's it. Cool, so all the way down to the end again. Do you recognise where you are again now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because my son's standing there.
Oh yeah. Way through the green. So come down a gear for me, bring that speed down a bit. So no power until our wheels are straight, okay? That's it. Back on the power. That's it. Come up a gear. That's it. Just keep it flat all the way through this little turn. It's not really much of a turn now. So in on the left, out on the right. Come off the brakes. Come off the brakes. That's it. Do the braking and come down here. So come down a gear for me, back on the brakes. So wait until that yellow cone, now we turn. So we weren't going to stop there.
Sorry?
No, we're not going to stop there.
Oh no.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We only stopped
because the other
there.
one, Aston Martin, was telling me to stop to let the others go through. So.
That's it. Come up. Yeah. I'll let you know if we've got to stop, but we're just going to tuck it into the right because that gets you a better way into the turn. Instead of coming in deep on the left hand side, it makes life harder for you. So you always keep it pushed over to the right and then you turn. That's it. So this time we're going to be tucking it off to the left hand side.
Yeah.
We're going to go through the yellow cones. We've got the high speed car behind us. That's it. Tucking it off to the left. So keep it pushed up. That's it, nice and gently round. That's it, as soon as the wheels are straight, back on the power. That's it, all the way round. So nice smooth inputs on the throttle, so no stabbing at it, so just nice squeezing it on, squeezing it off. Sort of, that's what we're after really. That's it, keep it tucked over to the right. That's it. So we are going to tuck it in this time, let him come round. That's it, round we go. Always get caught there.
Yeah.
That's it, up again. So in on the right, out on the left. Okay, so that speed round the turn will be fine. That's it, round we go.
I love all of them.
Yeah. What are you driving at the moment?
Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Nissan Juke.
Oh yeah. A bit bigger, aren't they?
They can
cars. Okay, so everything's squashed up. So yeah, you've done the right thing. Just make sure you can reach the brake nice and fine. Okay. Perfect. So how have you got on with the other cars? All right.
Yep.
Excellent. Good.
Ferrari. I managed to get that up.
Yeah.
Some speed. So yeah.
Good. Okay.
That was good.
So this will feel very different.
Right.
Steering's a little bit stiffer. Is that steering wheel all right for you there?
Yep. Yeah. I'm sure that'll be
Sure?
fine. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. So the paddle shift in this one, they're slightly smaller and slightly offset upwards on the Ferrari. Okay, it's still the right one. Pull and release for up a gear, left one, pull and release for down a gear. Okay. Perfect. You ready?
Yep.
Perfect. Foot on the brakes, left first gear with the right paddle. That's it. Perfect. Off the brake, a little bit of throttle and going out to the left.
Oh my. That is very.
Yeah. It's quite a focused car, this one. Perfect. And we've got 5 laps.
Yep.
Okay. Just to let you know, you can have more if you want to. I'm sure everyone else has already offered them. But yeah, if you do want a couple, it's 20 quid. Just let me know if we come in on the last lap. Alright?
Yep.
Perfect, Jack. So is this a present, was it? Or?
It was, yes.
Gabby's
Hello.
gonna scan the card.
Yeah.
You getting on okay?
Yep.
Good. Okay, nice big smile.
Thank you.
Perfect, Jeanette. Looks like we can go straight out. Perfect. You'll notice that the steering's a little bit heavier than the Ferrari. Perfect. Straight up a second for me. Perfect. Nice and smooth over the bump and then more power. Perfect. Up another gear. It's good, isn't it? You can take this first left nice and wide away from the cones. That's it. Perfect. Back on the power. In between the greens. Straight down to behind the barn. Work sharp left. Way up. So move over to the right. Brake and go down a gear. Squeeze the power as you open up the wheel. Squeeze the power. Full power if you want to. Up a gear. Perfect. That's it. More power. Up another gear. Up over to the left of the chicane. Brake hard and go down a gear. Off the brake. All the way over to the right. Stay to the right for the hairpin. Brake and go down another gear. Turn in. Squeeze the power as you open up the wheel and then full power. Up again. Full power. Keep going. Up another gear. Keep going. Brake. Down one gear. Perfect. Off the brake, over to the left, back to the right. Perfect. Hand out the window to say hello to the photographer. Perfect. Over the bump smoothly, then back on the power. Perfect. How's that feel?
Yeah.
Excellent. Nice and wide. That's it. Perfect. Into the left, straight down, sharp left coming up. Then braking it down again. Turn in. Squeeze the power as you open up the wheel. Full power. Up again. Up another gear. Stay on the power. That's it. Beautiful. Into the left. Brake hard and go down again. Off the brake, over to the right, stay to the right hand side. Brake and go down another gear. Perfect. Squeeze the power as you open up the wheel, and then full power. Up again. Full power, keep going. Perfect. That's it. Beautiful. Off the brake. Back on the power, nice and smooth. Perfect. To the left. Perfect. Over the bump, back on the power. Up again. Perfect. Off the brake, back on the power. Perfect. Braking it down again. Perfect. Turn in, start squeezing that power, squeeze the power, squeeze the power, squeeze the power. Full power. Up again, full power, keep going.
What about in though?
You'll get out of the way eventually. Perfect. Off the brake, all the way over to the right. Perfect. Down the inside. Down again. Perfect. Perfect. Squeeze the power, full power. Up again. Full power, keep going. Up another gear. Perfect. Brake. Down one gear. Off the brake, go to the left. Perfect. Thumbs up for the cameraman. Perfect. Nice and smooth over the bump and then back on the power. Brake. Off the brake. Back on the power. Perfect, set, braking it down a gear. Perfect, off the brake, turn in. Squeeze the power, squeeze the power, squeeze the power. Full power. Up a gear. Up another gear, stay on the power. Set, brake hard, down a gear. Off the brake, over to the right, stay to the right hand side. Braking it down another gear.
Almost locked the wheels.
Set, squeeze the power and go. Up again. Perfect. Up another gear. Perfect. Brake hard, go down one gear. Perfect. Off the brake. Perfect. You enjoy this one?
I am.
Perfect.
Very much.
Excellent.
My dad used to race cars when
Oh, yeah?
he was younger. We used to live out in Canada.
Alright.
And I always wanted to have a go.
Perfect. Brake. Off the brake. Set, squeeze the power. Perfect. Braking it down again for the sharp left. Into the left. Squeeze the power. Up again. Up another gear. Perfect. Into the left. Brake hard, go down again. Off the brakes, over to the right. Stay to the right for the hairpin. Brake hard, go down again. Perfect. Squeeze the power. And on we go. Up again. Perfect. Up another gear. Perfect. Set, brake hard, down again. That's your 5 laps, darling.
Oh, doesn't it go quick?
Would you like another 2
No,
to 2?
it's alright.
Are you
thanks.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Into the right. Perfect. Okay, darling, all the way to the top for me. Oh, no, there's a Ferrari in the way. That's it. We'll leave it there. So,
Leave it here.
okay, both pedals together for neutral for me. Perfect. I'll just grab your video.
I think they've treated you quite well, you boys.
Yeah, I think they have.
Lovely.
And my son wants to do the hiya.
Hello.
Yeah, right.
Ready for another photo then?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Go different.
Lovely.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Nice and gently up to the green cones,
Yeah.
and then we'll just wait and see what this green one's doing. That's it. So they're fancying the drift lap, are they?
Yeah, so I've booked it, so we're doing it.
It's awesome. Nice and gently away. That's it. Up a gear with your right hand. That's it. Okay, and start to accelerate. That's it. Up a gear. That's good. That's it. Keep it going in between the green cones. Straight across. That's it. Just onto your brakes. That's it. Into the corner, and then just nice and gentle on your throttle as you come out, and then just go harder on your throttle. That's it. Up a gear. Tuck it right underneath the trees. Keep it going. You're not slow at all. Onto your brakes. That's it. We're going to stay right up to the corner. That's it. Just back on your brakes again. Down the gear. That's it. Nice and tight into the corner. And then just gently on the power till you get the car straight, and then back on the power all the way down with your foot. Set up a gear. Awesome, well done. And onto your brakes. If you think you're slow, you want to see some other people jumping.
I think I'm just getting the hang of it now.
Set back on the power again. Going to let the car behind pass, so
Yeah.
as we come through the green cones, we're just going to move left into the little kind of bus stop thing. That's it. 2 cars are going to come past, I think, maybe one.
back on after the blue one, then we're going to let the white one pass a little bit further on. I'm just going to keep you left, so if you just keep your lock on and stay left, we'll let the white one come past us now. That's it. And back on the power again, up the gear. That's it. Up again. That's it, and onto your brakes. Stay right. Onto your brakes again, down the gear. That's it, nice and tight into the corner. Gentle on the power, straighten her up and then back hard on the power. Set up a gear. And again. And onto your brakes. Awesome. You're faster than me.
I don't think
Sit
so.
down the gear. Down again. That's it, just nice and gentle back on your power again. Nice car to drive this,
I was
isn't
going
it?
to say,
It's
I'm
nice and
loving
easy,
this
isn't it?
car.
Yeah. Straight across again. Sit onto your brakes. That's it, just gentle on your power as you come out. Straighten her up and then back on the power. That's it, up a gear. Took it right underneath the trees. Brilliant. Off the power onto your brakes. That's it, and then stay right up to the corner. Back on your brakes again, down a gear. Nice and tight into the corner. Gentle back on your power, straighten her up and then back on the power. Sit up a gear. And again. And onto your brakes. Well, your boys should be proud of you anyway. Down a gear. Down again. That's it. Just nice and gentle over this little bump. And then back on the power again. Gentle back on your power, straighten her up. That's good. Sit up a gear. That's it, onto your brakes. And onto your brakes again, down a gear. That's good. Nice and gentle on your power. Hard back on the power. Sit up a gear. Again, and onto your brakes. You're good at this. Sit down the gear, down again. That's it. That's it, onto your brakes again. Nice and gentle back on the power. Sit up a gear. Just come off the power a little bit. I'm just going to keep you right and we're just going to let an atom past us. That's it, and back on again. Awesome, well done. Onto your brakes and down a gear. That's it. Nice and gentle on the throttle, straighten her up and then hard back on the throttle. Gear, and again, then onto your brakes. That's it, 5 done.
Yeah.
You enjoyed that?
Quickly,
you look
yeah.
like you enjoyed
I
that.
love
Yeah,
this one.
yeah, I thought you did.
Oh, this one's nice.
That's it, just nice and gentle up through the cones, and then we're just going to go into the space just before the yellow one, I think. That's it, just keep going, they will move. I promise.
Over. It's the best one for pictures as well.
Oh, is
This
it?
looks
Oh,
super
right.
cool in a convertible Aston Martin.
Yeah, I can show everyone.
Pardon?
I'll show everyone
Yeah.
at work. They'll be so envious.
So as you can see, there will be other cars out
yeah.
there. So if I happen to grab the steering wheel,
That's
it's
fine.
because I've seen something.
Yeah.
But there's a couple of overtaking places in the yellow patch,
Yes.
and I'll just ask you
Yeah.
plenty of time to go in there.
I've not used that one today.
Just about thing.
Just about.
Okay. You ready for your photo?
No, because I hate photos, but never mind.
Are you going to have one anyway?
Yeah, I'm doing the photo.
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
You've got to, haven't you?
Someone refused it. It was so funny.
You want me in it? Or shall I hide down?
Oh, you can be in it.
Thank you.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so if we pull the right paddle.
Sorry?
Pull the right paddle.
Oh, right paddle,
Yep.
yeah.
That's it. It's not raining.
No, right paddle, yeah.
That's it. So it's easier when we're out if you keep your hands here.
Yeah.
So you're always in.
Yeah.
So we'll just flip that off. That's off. Right. So once the Lamborghini goes up, we'll just follow him out. So that's it. Round to the left. And we'll just stop here at the green cone. See where this Lamborghini's going. Wait for the white one.
Yeah.
Nice clear.
For the first one, that would be great.
That's it. How many laps have we got?
5.
5 again.
Yeah.
Well, they tested me today. I have to keep counting to 5. The next person who gets in for a 3 lap is going to end up with 4 because I'll forget. Right, so it sounds a lot louder.
Yeah.
So it sounds like we're going faster than we are.
So which one's up?
Up is the right.
Right, yeah.
And pull. That's it. So if you come off the power, and we'll just roll through here. A little bit of power. We want to be nice and smooth with it. We're going to go through the green cone lane. That's it. You can see the big cone in the distance.
Yeah.
We're head for that one, and then we're going to turn left, and we're going to go really hard left into the side here. Just roll off the power. That's it. Let him through.
Yeah.
Under the trees. Give it some power. Up a gear. That's the right one.
Oh, right one.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
On the brake. Off the brake. We're going to go out, stay out wide. We
Yeah.
go on the brake, down on the left one. And now turn it in. Get everything in a straight line. And then I want you to take it up to 5,000.
I can't see that when that
Keep
is.
going, keep going. Up we go. Now on the brake. Off the brake. We're just going to go through the chicane. And then roll around to the left, a little bit of power. Give a wave to the cameraman who's there. That's it. Straight line. So this time we're going to go through the yellow cone lane.
Yeah.
And just let this Nissan behind us go through. So just pull it over to the left, lift off the power, let him go through, and then follow it back in behind him. It's all clear. So round to the left, feed in the power, and now stamp on. Under the trees, round to the right. So when we go through there, we'll stay a little bit smooth on the power and steer in, and then keeps the car all nice and happy then. That's nice through there. Out to the right, we're going to go on the brakes, and then down one gear.
Yeah.
That's it. Off the brake, no power. Get in a straight line, and then up to 5,000. Oh, so I'll say up. Oh, you changed before I said up.
Oh, sorry.
On the brake. That's it.
Change now?
Off. No, it's fine.
No, right.
We'll keep it in third through here. So a little bit of power up the hill. That's nice, straight line. A little bit of power. Off the power. We're going to go through the green cone lane this time. A little bit of power. Head out to the big cone and I'll go on the brakes, down one gear, off the brake, no power. Let it come round. Now feed in the power. This time I want you So let's go to that yellow cone and just well, on the brakes, and we'll let this guy go through before we turn
okay.
in.
Yellow
Right,
cone.
now
I was
turn in.
thinking yellow
That's
cone.
it. Now turn in. Right, now we can go. Don't change until I say up. Now on the brake. Down one. That's better. Sounds a lot better once you get up there. So round to the left again. Just number 3. Are you counting or am I counting?
No, I wasn't counting.
Oh no.
I'm concentrating.
Oh, I'm concentrating as well. We'll go with 3, shall we?
Yeah. Alright, we'll do that.
Yeah, this is number 4. Through the green cone lane. Onto the brakes. Down 1 gear. So we're going to stay into the left and just come off the power. Just come off the power. On the power. That sounds fantastic under those trees, doesn't it? Right, off the brake. And we're going to do the same again and just let this Ferrari through, okay? So just off the power. That's it, round we go. On the brake, nice and firm. Down the gear. I think you're getting a bit confident now.
Oh, I said once I get going, once I've...
There we go, round to the left. That's good. You've relaxed now.
Yeah,
That's it.
once I've
Good.
know what to do and I've, yeah.
Yeah. Just remember to keep your hands nice and loose on the steering wheel. So you get tense in your arms.
Yeah, I do. I
Yeah.
would tend to do that, yeah.
So off the power, follow it through. We've got nobody behind us, so we'll go through the green cone lane, bit of power. Nice and firm on the brakes, down 1 gear. Off the brake. There we go, now accelerate. Up. Under the trees, put the power on. Move to the left, on the brakes. Off the brake, out to the right, firm on the brakes, down 1 gear. That's it, off the brake, let it roll in. Now feed the power in. Now get it up to 5,000. Brakes, down 2, and as soon as you get into it, it's time to go in. Unless you want another lap.
That's always the way.
And you can do another lap if you want.
You sure?
Well, it's £15.
No, it's alright, we'll go in, yeah.
And just put it up here on the left. How was that?
That was fantastic. That
Did
was
really well.
amazing.
Awesome.
So we can follow them out. Okay, round we go. Mind your steering, smooth, bit of power on, and just go up 1 gear, up again. That's it, no worries. Bit more power, and I'm just going to go up to 3rd gear. We'll leave it in 3rd gear, just through this part here. And all you want to do is no braking, just turning nice and smoothly. And we're going straight through the green cones, and then through the next, follow the cars down. And then we've got the left hander coming up. So we're going to brake, go down a gear, off the brakes and turning in. Try and get past who we can when we can. So I think the Aston Martin's holding them up, so
Yeah.
we'll try and get past. So a bit of power, just keep with them, up again. You can slow down and speed up, but you end up just constantly doing
Yeah.
that. It's best to just try and get past as quick as you can. We're probably going to overtake on that hairpin.
Yeah.
They'll keep to the right, we'll pass on the left. I hope. And braking. Let's go down again. Over to the right. And what they're doing. Pay attention now. Turning in. Sorry about this.
That's alright.
Now we see. Okay, so both of them pull away a bit. Squeeze a bit of power on. And go. There we go.
Oh, wow! Oh my!
It's quite powerful, isn't it?
That was, oh bloody hell! I
Not bad,
sort
is
of,
it?
I went then, oh my god!
Yeah.
It's just because it's so smooth, you settle into it.
Yeah.
But then you don't realise how fast you go.
No, and it just went, and I was like, oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Plenty more
yeah.
where that came from. Plenty more. So as we come over the bump, we're going to go for a little bit more power, and away you go. Squeeze it on. And then we're going to go around to the left. He's going to move out of the way.
Yeah.
We're going to both overtake. Hopefully the Lamborghini just goes off as well. That's it. Going straight forward now. And braking down again. That's it. Turning in. On one, just steering, overtake on the right. That's it. Power. Go, go, go. Up again. And turning in nice and tight. Back with power. Up again. Over to the left. And braking. And down again. And off to the right. And braking nice and hard now. Down again. Really slow it down. That's it. Turning in. Try and slow down a bit further in.
Yeah.
That further back. Yeah. Not full power. Up again. Up again. And braking nice and hard. Down again. It's not bad, that is it?
No.
That's right. Nicely done. Carry it around, nice and smooth. And then just balance the throttle all the way around. Over the bump, squeeze power on. Ease off, touch a brake. Off brake, turn in. Through the green cones, straight on. And then braking, down again. A bit more braking, off brakes, turn again. And back on power, up again. Ease off, turn in, back on power. Over to the left. And braking down again. And off the brakes to the right. Staying to the right hand side. And braking down a gear again. And get the car lined up for me. And yeah, we'll just make a bit of space because the Aston Martin's just on a jolly. And wait for a bit more, wait for a bit more, and go.
Just wanna go.
Up again. And braking. Just like that, you go up again. It's just crazy quick, this thing. And go through to the left, back to the right. And we will just have to sit here and wait, unfortunately. So what's going to happen is he's already indicated that he's going to go to that area. So a bit of power for me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just through here. There's not a lot of space to pass really through here.
Yeah.
Safely anyway.
Shame, innit? The one time you really want to fly it.
No, as soon as we get clear,
Yeah.
I'll let you you take off. Drop it down again. And straight on power. That's it. And easing off and turning in. Unwind your steering, squeeze power, and away you go. Full power, go, go, go. Up again. Up again. Tighten in, tighten in. Back on power. Over to the left hand side. And braking. Down again. Off brake to the right. Stay to the right and braking nice and hard. Firm brakes, more brakes. Really firm. Down again. So you want to get the braking not done back there rather than through the
Oh, right, yeah.
So when I'm saying firm brakes, get the brakes to the floor. Up again. Up again. And braking. So hard brakes there to the floor. That's it, off the brakes, turning in. You want to brake over a shorter distance essentially, just so you can get the weight back off the nose of the car. Carry through with a bit of power. And wait for the bump. And away you go. Carry on with the power. Here we go, here we go. Bit of braking. Off brake turning. And through the green cones, straight on. Bit of power. And braking for me nice and hard, down again. Off the brakes turning in. Open up the wheel, squeeze power, and away you go. Up again. Ease off, turning in. Back on power. Over to the left. And braking for me nice and hard, down again. Off the brakes, over to the right. And now back on hard brakes, down again. So keep them down, keep them down, keep them down. And off the brakes, turning out. So much better. Tighten in, tighten in. Okay, full power, go, go, go. Away you go. Up again. Up again. And braking. Down again, and off the brakes. We'll go around again because you got held up a lot.
Oh, thank you.
No worries. Into the left, balance your throttle in, and keep it going. And just coming over the bump, and back on power. Go, go, go. Keep it going, keep it going. And a bit of brake in there. Off brake turn in, and through the green, bit of power. Keep it going. And braking. Down again.
get. Off the brakes turning, and on one steering, squeeze your power in, and away you go, keep with it. Up we go. That's it, to the right. Get the power going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Over to the left, and brake in. No way he's not going to move, he's going to move over. He's going to move over, surely, yeah. Overtake on the left hand side, just take your time with it. Not a lot of space, remember your brakes. Still need to slow the car down. That's it, tighten in. On one steering, and full power, away you go. Up again. Up again. And braking. Nice and firm. We can go around twice more for £20, and we head back up.
I'll go around twice more.
Awesome.
I'll get them to get my purse off.
And then squeeze it. You see what I mean? It's a very easy car to use, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
Some power, glad you're enjoying it. Keep it going. Don't worry about the car in front. Keep it going. Braking now. Off brake turning. And through the green, that was ambitious. Straight on. And braking down again. And off the brakes turning in. He's seeing us. I see him seeing us. Turn in. Squeeze your power on. Overtake on the right. Go, go, go. Full power. Keep it going. Keep it going. That's it. Ease off. Tighten in. Back on power now. Over to the left, and brake it, down in gear, off brakes to the right, braking hard now, flat to the floor on the brakes, down in gear, that's it, off turning in, arms straighten up, and away you go, full power, up again, here we go, all the way to the bumps, here we go, and braking now, hard brakes, down in gear, off the brakes, little left, little right, and then just a little bit of braking there, off brakes turning in, balance your throttle through, holding it steady, just wait till you come over the bump. And as soon as you hit the bump, get the power back on. There you go. Ease off braking, off brakes, turn in. Back on power now, go, go, go. And braking hard now. Firm brakes, down in gear, off brakes turning in. And away you go. Up again. Ease off turning in. And away you go. Over to the left. And braking. Now leave it third, off the brakes to the right. We go second gear now. And braking. Nice firm brakes. Slow it right down. Tighten in. Go full power. Up again. Up again. And braking. And we can do another 2 for another 20, you'll head back up.
No, I think...
No worries. Did you enjoy that?
That was amazing.
Awesome. You did very well. Glad you enjoyed it. Actually, threw the yellows for me. I bet your kids never were late to school.
No, I know. In between these two.
Yes, please, yeah. Going there. And straighten her up there. Awesome.
That was my
Nicely
best
done.
time. Thank you.
I thoroughly
Loved
enjoyed that as well.